I clicked it by accident.
Oopsie.
Oops.
It's like 9:30.
8. 9:38.
Yep.
Yeah, she's so lazy to actually sit up.
So we're doing it laying down.
My ninjas.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
That.
I'm so tired.
Oh, I'm bored.
It's hot.
It's boring. I wish I could go to her school tomorrow.
I hope she can.
My nails. Right? You can see both ways. That'd be sad if we fell asleep while making this.
That'd be funny.
It was like 2 hours. Like, whoa.
Kitty and I know when we're tired. Whenever we like
Laugh at a complete reason.
for the years. Ninjas are showing.
Oh, shut up. Shut up, okay? Don't give him a hint. You know I'm self-conscious. All thanks to you.
There.
No, I'm self-conscious. All thanks to her. Stupid ninja. There, I'm covering my ninja. Billy.
I'm not going to sleep. I was just resting my eyes.
Resting your eyes for about a few hours.
Exactly.
Oh gosh. Watch this again. Okay, do you really have to show? Really? Look at yourself.
Stop it.
Everything's okay. You don't need to do that. I would expect something. Oh, dude, we're tired. It's already been 2 minutes and we're laughing like crazy. Can you kind of like fix the video?
Not really.
Where my feels better. Lord, it still shows. You know what? I don't care right now. I'm too tired. Look at you. You kind of look like that Alex guy.
Alex Evans.
Hey, you look like him. I wonder if people will notice.
Notice what?
Comment if you notice anything in the video, okay? Like, notice something very specific. Okay? Not there! Comment if you notice something very specific in the video. Very, very specific.
Oh, I didn't know I was wearing this.
Wow, she's cute.
I didn't notice until I looked in the
Let me see.
There's keyboard. Aww! God, Keely!
I didn't know, I'm sorry.
Oh.
She's fine.
Oh, but my best friend came here.
Which one?
What's her face? Claudia.
That was her face, that's nice.
Yeah, she's pretty awesome too.
But I'm better.
Yeah, you're better.
Oh, because of the fridge.
Yep, that's how I met the fridge.
Yeah, I was riding on the back of my dad's thing, and I was helping him hold the fridge up. And then they're like, "Go see, go talk to her." I'm like, "No."
Yeah, because my grandma was renting her papa's trailer, which is not my papa, but like she was renting his.
Mine first.
Yes.
Because I am older.
By 2 months, God.
2 months and 2 days. Can't deny it.
But
Anywho.
She needed a new fridge for the trailer thingy.
Trailer thingy, that's nice.
Yeah, that's what I call it.
The trailer.
And then she was running in the back, and my mom kept on telling me, "Why don't you go talk to her? Why don't you go talk to her?"
Like my dad.
Because my mom works with her grandpa.
Child services.
Yeah. And then I didn't want to. I was too shy. And
See the blue Hannah Montana shirt on?
Yep.
With a little flare
I was
on the
9.
arm.
I was 9.
I think I was still 9.
Yeah, you were still 9. It was
Yeah.
February.
Yeah, we made it February 20th. We don't remember the exact day, so we made
I know
February
it was
20th.
in February. It was before my grandma's birthday. Just don't, you know.
So we just made February 20th. Anywho, get back to the story. Bless you.
Thank you.
And so we talked, and then we found out we had a lot in common that exact night. We spent the night at my
I spent
house.
the night at her house the same night. That's how big of best friends we are.
We've been BFFs, biffles ever since.
Yeah.
And we've been through a lot together.
Oh, yeah. Some of which I probably don't want to remember.
Some of which I don't remember, but apparently happened in my sleep. It's so close, like that close. If only you knew what we're talking about.
Oh, it's a joke.
One of you, if you're watching this, might know what we're talking about. You should know.
I love inside jokes.
Except if you're not the only ones who know when the one person who be sad if that person was watching right now.
Well, we can't watch right now. We
And I'm talking about not right now, like if I say right now and they're watching it, they'll be thinking, like, oh shit, never mind.
haven't.
She's complicated.
I'm literal when I'm tired.
Oh yeah, a while ago when I visited here before, we were talking to my friends and we were just messing around, so we said the stop sign was broken. And our friend told us to put El Stopo, but we didn't. And so, like, a day later, someone ran the stop sign and got in a wreck. I told him, like, see, the stop sign was broken. He's like, failed. It was Rob.
Oh, yeah, huh?
I'm like, yeah, the next day, someone ran the stop sign and they got in a wreck. He's like, fail. I got awesome friends. He told us to call Chuck Norris.
Yeah, he told us to call Chuck Norris to fix it.
Yeah, but we didn't, so someone got in a wreck.
Yep, it's all our fault.
Sorry, I just didn't know what to do. I didn't know his number. I forgot it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, don't forget, comment if you notice anything specific in the video, because I sure noticed them.
Wow, Keely.
Well, I'm sorry, it's hard. It's hard not to. 7 minutes. Felt like it's only been 3.
Doesn't feel like it's been that long. What's your favorite dollar store?
Really?
Family Dollar, Dollar General,
Dollar Tree. Gosh, it's hard not to notice it.
Stop
It's
saying
hard.
anything about it. Don't say anything about it, and they probably won't notice. Most of them.
Most of them, that's nice. My goldfish.
She
Goldfish.
misses her goldfish.
I miss my goldfish.
Oh, I hate her goldfish.
She hates my goldfish, my gold donkey. My gold donkey.
Inside joke.
She's mad at my goldfish.
I hate her goldfish.
My goldfish is a person, just to let you know, not my actual goldfish.
Yeah.
She's very mad at my
I
goldfish.
hate her
And
goldfish.
I miss my goldfish. My goldfish apparently isn't on her good book.
He's on my bad book.
Her bad list, her Santa's bad list.
It's on my bad list.
Apparently she doesn't like my goldfish. I personally love my goldfish. I don't want to flush it down the toilet.
You will one day.
One day. Speaking of goldfish, my wedding is gonna be awesome.
How did you get wedding out of a goldfish?
Inside joke, woman.
Oh yeah, huh?
Not der. I'm gonna have, like, the song that me and my fiance are gonna dance to is 21 Guns by Green Day. I'm gonna wear a red and black dress. It's gonna, like, be a black dress and it's gonna be ripped and it has red paint splattered
Everyone
over
has
it.
to wear white to my wedding except for me.
She's
I'm
gonna wear
black.
black. I'm gonna wear red and black, red torn dress with red paint splattered everywhere. And then, darn. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell the groom to make the groomsmen wear dresses. Everyone's like, so the girls are wearing tuxedos? I'm like, no, they're gonna wear dresses, but the groomsmen are gonna wear dresses too. Don't go to sleep.
I'm not gonna go to sleep.
It's kind of awkward sleeping like this.
Oh yeah. Well, you have your own bed over there. There, you can't notice it now.
Kind of. If only you knew what we were talking about. It's in one of the comment things. That is so much better. Okay, earlier comments. Okay, 'cause
Ninja.
we really want to know if you actually noticed. So shut up.
I'm just saying ninja.
If only you knew, which you probably do. If you comment about it, we'll comment back saying yes or no or maybe. I don't want to talk about it. Can my mom have bigger ones?
Ew.
She answered.
Oh.
So shut up.
Oh. I'm kidding.
Goldfish.
I'm
Woman.
lonely.
You're so retarded.
I'm so retarded.
It has an eye patch.
Look, it's blue.
You can't see the stinking blue one. It's like a teal. You can't see me. Oh my god. There. How did they go all the way down? I think we're giving pretty big hints. Now they can't see it. Whoopee. Oh, really? We're tired.
I'm exhausted.
Your chin.
My chin.
Her chin. It's 9:50. It would be like 10 o'clock.
Ow.
I'm kidding.
Ow, I bit my lip. Ooh.
Oh, we're tired. And if we say anything, it's just because we're tired.
Don't listen to
Hey,
us.
look, we got longer than D-Fizzy. On this 10 minutes or whatever. Yeah, we're just bored. If we do any random stuff, it's because we're tired.
Yep, tired.
Good times. Look at your eyes.
I miss someone.
Yes, you missed the
Mm.
the nah der.
Yeah, I just didn't know if you knew because I miss a lot. I'm not gonna put it over.
You've been saying that for the past, what, 10 days?
I haven't been saying it for the past 10 days. It's just been impressing me these past 2 days.
I've been depressed a lot.
I'm gonna hide. Did you find me?
No. Wait, where's she?
Hold on, I'm gonna hide better. Eh.
Bring it up. Where did she go? I'm sorry if I poke you in the eye. I'm sorry if I poke you in the eye, okay? Wait, do you have to ride the bus to school?
Yeah.
Oh, darn.
Will probably drive us if you go.
I think the Lord of us say I am not going on that bus.
You would, even if my mom didn't drive you and you wanted to go with me.
Yes. Because apparently everyone loves me and wants to meet me. Because I'm so lovable. Don't you agree?
No.
Of course you don't. You need to get in the video more. This time I had. Nope, I had.
No. Fine, go hide.
I'm hiding. Give me
That was my jacket. Now I'm
Fine
gonna.
then.
See, look, it's
Can't
fluffy.
see me.
See, look, it's fluffy.
You can't see me.
It's fluffy.
I see you.
It's
See you. I see you.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
You can't see
Where
me.
am I now?
Right there.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna poke your eye out, woman.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
It's not that hard.
Ow. Ow. I'm not
We've been
gonna
doing this
cry.
for like 15 minutes.
Oh my god.